people. Yesterday I was like, I combed my hair. For me, combing my hair takes a long time. Like I do 100 strokes every day, because this is something my mom used to always say, that if you want good hair, you need to comb it. Because I think combing kind of massages the scalp and all. No, so anyway, so I finished combing my hair yesterday, and I was about to do my recording when my sister and my dad came, and it was like there was lots of these little bit of renovation work, right? So that's what. So then I could completely, like, I missed recording altogether, and because I missed recording, I don't think I uploaded any video also yesterday. So that was very weird. No, I've been reading this How to Be a Boss by Lily Singh, right? One of the first YouTube content creators. So she says, when you have to do something, just do it no matter what. So I have to say, yesterday my I wear moonstone earrings, so it kind of it one of them fell down. So that's the thing with earrings. Once one falls down, you can't do anything with the second one. So anyway, so I just have begun wearing this, and I don't know, yeah, when I wear this, they say that's what. Now this is also some stone, I'm sure. Blue stone, it really calms the mind when you wear any kind of blue stone, for that matter. I think, I don't know, maybe one part of me is thinking that maybe this is manufactured in a factory, but for some reason it is giving that very soothing. I think the color blue itself is like that. So really, people, no, according to what emotion you want in your life to manifest, you should wear those colors. If you are in a mood to manifest a lot of love, you should wear pink. And no, I was telling myself I should start now wearing like really like snazzy, jazzy clothes, so that people sit up and take notice. But really, but so that's what. And I will speak about this particular show in my next video. So it's already a 2-minute video. Oh my god. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.